Hey everybody, guess what we have today? We have another unboxing. Let's see what's in today's box. We have our passport. Where are we traveling to? Let's see. We've got our box and now we are going to open it. Oh my goodness! Spain! We're going to Spain! So, we have our passport sticker, which we will put on our passport. The Up and Away advertising. Welcome to Spain postcard. And inside of our postcard, it tells us what is in our suitcase and our luggage tag and everything that we need. So then we can go to the website and we can actually learn more. I'm going to move you just a tad bit. Oh, there we go. Is that better? Hope so. So Spain. We got the Chupa Chups. That's the food. Assuming it's candy. Running of the Bulls. The Sagrada Familia in Barcelona. We have the Botin restaurant. The Paella in Valencia. Lo Tomatina Festival, which would be the Tomato Festival. And of course, that's where Picasso came from. And then we have the tapas in Seville. And bananas. In Canary Islands came the bananas. Something we've all come to enjoy. And like we get in every single one, it is our Spain flag. It's always so exciting to get these little boxes. Tells us about the flag. Oh, so the Chupa Chups, they're lollipops, guys. They like Spanish rice there. Tile and cork coasters. And then, of course, we have a passport. There's a craft for a tile coaster craft. Then, of course, there's not a tomato. I hope not in here. But tomatoes. The tomato in your suitcase represents the famous tomato-throwing Spanish festival in La Tomatino. So it's not a tomato, well, it's a tomato festival, but you get to throw tomatoes at people. And that happens in August. So we get to throw tomatoes at people. We all know what these are. M&M's. Apparently Spain is big for candy. Here are the Chupa Chupas. Let's see if we can tell. I'm going to assume this is strawberry. Honestly, I don't know. This one looks like some kind of maybe caramel chocolate, maybe. We have yellow rice we could make. This is authentic Spanish rice from Spain, guys. That's pretty awesome. And then we have a project to do to make a tile, a Spanish tile. It's going to be a coaster. We've got the paint. We've got the pattern. We have the cork board. And if we don't have a tile, I know I have one. And we'll see what it looks like at the very end. How cool is that? And then these are 2 tile coasters from Spain. Isn't it interesting how you look at people's different cultures' way of doing things, and everything is so different. Okay, phew. This worried me there for, oh. Well, so this is your cherry, but look. I'm sorry, your tomato. But I think it's gonna burst if we try to really throw it at somebody. It just might. And then you guys know how we always get a memory game card. We did get it for Spain, guys. And then we have a Spain. Try this a little bit better. This Spain postcard. And this is, gosh, I don't speak Spanish. Castilian Spanish. This is Park Güell. It's right outside of Barcelona. And it was a creation of Antoni Gaudí, the renowned architect of the face of the Catalan modernism. One more time. See, and this is something that I never showed you guys. I don't open these until I open them with you. So I never know what's going to be in them. Here we have popcorn. So we can watch a movie. And we always have our little air freshener that comes with them. Not really sure what the point of, well, we'll probably find out. Picasso, we've got 16 art stickers. And I'm sure all of you know who Picasso is. He's a very big abstract painter. We're just going to go through really quick. There's some. We also have the Spanish culture, and we also have a little word find. And then on the back we have Spanish cities we gotta find. And then we have different dishes as always. This is the healthy homemade, I know I always say this word wrong, gazpacho. And it's funny, my husband and I were just talking about this the other night. This would be cast iron paella, which looks like a seafood dish to me, which I'm not a big seafood fan. Oh my goodness. But I am a fan of baked churro bites. And then we have, of course, we've got mixed berry sangria. So we got some delicious opportunities from Spain. So that is the end of Spain. If anybody has any questions, let me know. If not, have a great day. And make sure you like and subscribe, please, to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.